Mystery search. Somebody come get me.
I said,
Nice cock.
that dumb slut.
Okay.
Oh! You broke my fucking leg!
No shit.
Charlie!
I'm angry.
Some people have the Eiffel Tower.
I'm angry.
Or
Don't
Olive
talk to
Garden.
me.
The Joker and I love
Need
to
my
live in
chicken
a hiding
strips. Yep. Very sexy.
Oh, shit. Where's Rip's face off?
This sweet mask.
This is how you cosplay
Not in
someone.
front of my pizza.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Fucking shit, you idiot! She has a sandwich right she's off.
How's he gonna do?
And then
Woo! No!
This is one of the only bits of the movie that legitimately made me sad.
This.
Fuck, Montoya. You smell like a dead rat's asshole.
Oh, you exactly know what that smells like.
Montoya.
That's very specific.
Guilty pleasure.
Right?
Drugs?
Oh, get this shit, get stressed.
I had a sword.
You are from the wealthiest families in Gotham.
I'm keeping that in.
Well, you know, the DA's office is better if she's
Listen.
The blue bubbles.
He is willing to-
Dr. Stone, I think I got a rock hard boner.
What the fuck? I couldn't get a drink and come back and one is moaning about the stone having a massive big ass boner.
No, I said Dr. Stone, I have a rock hard boner.
You are high.
Is that a pun?
Take me out, Holly.
I'm building something special.
I appreciate your offer.
It's the Moby Huge, but instead of
Oh my god,
plus
stop.
4 inches.
What about a 6'2" Moby Huge?
That would just be you. I can do the canary cry, I just don't have the canary in it.
Okay, Brayden and Matt.
Two
Don't
Stop.
Jordan
Stop.
as he's sleeping with your late night activities.
You gotta go.
Shut up! I don't want to hear about Big Spoon, Little Spoon. Say what?
How to spoon?
Not a spoon, I'm a nut.
Ram 'em.
Beat their ass, honey.
You go, gal.
Not
Please
anymore.
never say that again.
So it wasn't just me that thought these guys were gay.
They're not.
They are.
Oh my god, they're
I knew it. They're not.
They are.
I knew it.
It's the white hair. It's the white hair that gives like this ties the whole thing together.
It's the fashion senses. It's just like.
It looks like fucking Joe Exotic.
Don't you offend our king like that.
Stop
Fingering the sandwich.
fingering the sandwich. She's Chinese, Japanese, Korean, South Korean.
Stop being racist.
She's all of the above. It's important to know what race she is.
Found the broom.
Okay. Very cool. Don't watch 30 Reasons Why.
Shut up. Mind loosened.
He's still looking.
Mine loosened.
See, out of all of the benders, I reckon Brody would easily be the pussy bender.
Wait, what? Why can't
You
I
def-
be the pussy
You
bender?
deflect the pussy.
You touch my head. Wait,
No, the
Deflect the
pussy
pussy.
deflects him.
I am a pussy. I've got the penis.
Same thing.
Big old penis with good girth.
Don't you have a 2-inch punisher?
Fucking Punisher.
I'll punish you in a second.
I'm sorry.
You better watch out, Brady.
Oh, wait, what?
Watch out for your non-existent booty.
Yeah, at least I haven't asked.
Why does he look like Eminem got tattoos and had a drug addiction?
No, not the lucky pillows.
Yeah, I wanted to do that for quite some time.
Oh, I just zoned out, and now I'm just thinking about them fucking.
I think I downloaded the wrong Birds of Prey movie.
Birds are sexual predators.
Now let's go have a little fun.
Are you okay?
Criminal Empire, gotta keep your actions or everything was
can't whistle. Like, I can't whistle under pressure. Ding, 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 ding. Ah, fucking.
You're so tiresome.
That was a fucking.
Chris Brown mode activated.
That was such a good slap.
Slapping tournament. But that's an actual gun. She's not. She's a human.
I would pay her to shoot me.
Oh, I'm just insane.
It looks like Craig.
Literally.
Sit down, want to personally meet Margot Robbie and ask her to hit me with a bat.
Fucking awesome.
Just bring it down.
Please.
That is a mega fucking kick.
Just a fucking Lord what a kick.
Here, give it to you.
Why not? Because I ate it, okay?
You see, this is where the movie Huge comes in handy.
Just cleans the stomach every time.
Oh, that guy do.
Honestly, that seems like something I would do. I'll just load it up with the heaviest shit and push it towards someone. Shoot someone or blow something up.
Trying to describe America and North Korea's relationship. Okay, at least she puts the cereal in first.
Yeah, that's good.
So she's not that evil.
I'm not going soft or nothing, but gotta admit, it's kind of nice having the kid around.
Yeah, I'm not soft either.
Video party.
Fuck's sake, Freddy.
Raised by his own father and
It
brother.
looks like the
Both
Ford driver from Fast
assassins.
and Furious.
This is Johnny Sins.
Johnny Sins has big PP.
Fucking fabulous, if you ask me.
Fucking
Fabulous.
Fabulous, honey.
fucking
I
fabulous,
feel like I'm putting
bitch.
a blanket out of my asshole.
Oh yes, bitch.
Bitch.
Do it. Yes.
I'm meant to be the straight one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't meant to be the straight one. Bitch.
This dress is fucking hideous. Take it off.
The dress is pretty, I like trash bags.
Let me see your tits.
You are all mine.
You gave me no choice.
About to give you a blowy.
Oh, that did not age well.
I mean, like,
You know what else didn't age well?
America.
Her.
Everyone on the couch spoon.
How to spoon.
Hell yeah.
Hot. Matt, did your ringtone?
That's
Cool.
Fucking box watching. Not in Crossland's chest.
They're all so hot. It's not fair.
It isn't fair.
I
It's
wish I
not
could
realistic,
be-
is it?
I wish I could be.
Where are the
like
hoodie dad bitches?
I want to look like that anime dude.
Have you seen this man?
A boom de la caca.
Once at your place, remember she just started randomly fucking speaking?
Yeah.
Scared the shit out of everyone.
She just possessed.
Wait, I'm Max. So I remember when she was sleeping and she like hit me in the face.
I remember that too, she just went like that.
I took your ring. My ring?
Oh shit. I took your ring. Oh shit.
We gotta clean the city from the inside out.
Blackstones.
Does she always
Fucking license.
And I found Bruce. He was wandering around.
Yes!
Call me a soft.
Don't say it, bro.
Soft cock! Like, oh, that's
True
so
love.
much.
It doesn't actually have
Better love story than Twilight.
Every love story. Yo, Monty, you want to say anything for the end?
Suck my